What's up, guys? So you may be asking yourself, why am I in this random car park off the highway in Caroni? Well, I'm going to the Caroni swamp today, and I'm being joined by Mark Wiens, who is down here to promote Trinidad, one of the biggest food vloggers in the world. This is my second day with him, and I'm really excited. It's been a pleasure to be working with him. You may have seen my first video already where we did the Toko food run up the coast. So today we're going to the Caroni swamp. We're going to have some food. I of course will try to take some pictures and do some wildlife, but just an all-around great experience. Big up to Trinidad and big up to the government for being proactive. Let's get tourism pumping in this country. It's about time we put Trinidad on the map. And of course we will be liming with the boss man himself, Mark Wiens. Let's go check it out, guys. Bless up. So I just parked up in the car park here. So right as you turn off the highway, you'll see there's a car park. Behind me over here, you'll see that there's a little jetty. I think this is where they start most of the tours. I'll show you a sign here as well to tour operators that are here. But you'll also notice in the car park, which is really sad, but I hope people take care of them. There's a lot of cats, stray cats and animals around here. And I really love animals, if you know me. So, you know, I don't have the answers for this right now. I'm just heading out, but I hope people are helping these animals in the best way they can. So while everybody's getting ready there, you'll see this at the entrance. Again, the car park is across the road, but you'll see a big Nanan's Caroni Bird Swamp Sanctuary tours here. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. My partner here, Zach, can't make it. He's not feeling so well anymore, but you've done a good job.
He rallied for 9 days.
Yeah, you've been with them for 9 days, right? Yeah.
Tried my best.
Yes.
It was 9.
It's okay.
9 days.
Nobody's more sad than me that Zach is not coming.
Just one more Zach.
Just one more Zach. No. Yeah, don't vomit on us. It's okay. Yeah. So we're getting ready to go here. Look, the boat fellas here. Good day, fellas. Good day, good day. Are you all our tour guides for the day?
Yeah, I am a tour guide, Lester Nanan, and
Lester
my wife
Nanan
will be your host.
Hi, how are you? Looking real nice. Looking like you set up your red carpet there first, way. So to give you guys some more perspective, as I said at the beginning, what you're seeing here with this boat now, this is going to be a table. So we're mixing the Caroni Swamp tour experience with food, because of course Mark is a big foodie, and it's going to be a good time. And because my boy Zach now bailed out, I've been informed that I need to eat twice as much, so it's going to be real trouble for me today. And let me just say hi to my boy Mark here. Hey, how are you guys going? I've been informed that she would rather me sit by Mark and not her the other way around. And we're going to have a good time. Mark, you enjoyed yourself?
We got a beautiful afternoon, evening today.
Yeah, it was raining a lot earlier.
Really hard, and it just finished, so looks like the weather's clear. It looks like it's going to be great.
Awesome. And Vanessa says we have no bug spray, so it's going to be extra fun.
He said just
Northern Range. So the Caroni Swamp, the Northern Range is on your right, and they contribute a lot of nutrition in these estuaries. Alright, how it gets in is via the Caroni River, which is parallel to the swamp, about half mile on our right. Alright, so the Caroni River is the longest river in Trinidad. It starts all the way from Valencia, and it brings all the nutrients from the Northern Range. Animal matter, plant matter, detritus, nutrients. And that goes all the way down and deposits at the Gulf, and then it suspends with the high tide or flood tide. And that particulate substance, it deposits on the mud flats around the tree roots, and then millions of crabs come out to feed on that deposit. And then the birds go around feeding on the crabs. Scarlet ibis depend on that, those crabs, shrimp, fish, marine worms, to get their red color. And it takes them about 2.5 to 3 years for that to happen. Now this is called channel or drain number 9. It goes all the way out to the Gulf. It's about 7 kilometers down. We wouldn't be getting that far. We're going into the sanctuary, where we'll see the scarlet ibis and hopefully flamingos today. We have added attraction in Caroni Swamp. We've been seeing flamingos in the hundreds since 2015. Alright, we hope to see a large number. Sometimes it depends on where they're feeding, so we hope that we see flamingos. Alright, but the scarlet ibis for sure, They are in the thousands. They just came out from nesting. Yesterday we estimated well over 12,000-15,000 in that one little roosting area, and there's 4 of those. All right.
Wow,
so we'll be going along to that. That's the main highlight. We'll serve dinner there. We'll have the snacks as we cruise down. If a snakes fall into the boat, my wife, she know how to prepare it. You could have snake sushi.
Crocodile?
Crocodile as well. Okay? She makes the best snake sushi ever. Alright, so as we go along, we'll have fun.
Okay.
Tomato, well seasoned soup. This is actually quite an amazing experience to be within nature but have food at the same time.
Absolutely.
Yes.
What's great too, Mark, is that you're with a bunch of Trinis who have never done this, so we might as well be from a different country at this point.
We're all tourists here.
So guys, because we got a little bit of a late start today, we'll be taking a shortcut as many of the birds are coming in now. So we're beelining it for the sanctuary, so Mark and everybody can see the birds, you know, while still being fed, of course. We barely even finished our soup. We've got some
Something exciting happening.
some good wine, sweet wine
happening at every moment.
Yeah, and we saw a snake. It was not cooked as promised. Right? It wasn't cooked. And some friends there. Yeah, fellas. Nice, man.
Considered to be one of the best in the Western Hemisphere. Storing food for local and visiting species. The swamps act like a safe haven for species that in times of hurricane and storm, they will come in here for shelter. Water quality. 1 acre of wetland could absorb about 300,000 gallons of water, making it, so you know, it's also the #1 combat against global warming and climate change.
Okay.
It stores more carbon dioxide than any other terrestrial forest. Alright? So wetlands are very important. We have 40 square miles of it.
Natural photo. That's nice.
You finished chewing now. Num. That's cool, man. Awesome.
Nice, yeah, the light is so nice.
Yeah, we get some really decent light. You say you have 10 boats and you do the sunset dinner sometimes once or twice a day even.
Yeah.
Yeah? And what is the costing for a trip or for a group or?
Well, it depends.
Okay.
Like for 10 persons, it's like $350, and that's all inclusive of their 3-course meal, dessert, you know, the drinks and stuff like that.
And that $350 per head, of course.
Per person, yeah.
Per person.
If the group drops, the price raise, because remember we do find food from a restaurant, so there's a cost attached.
Of course.
Then you know there's your hostess and stuff like that. So we amalgamated all that cost into one, and we work out a reasonable price. So you get a private boat trip with the meal and everything.
Awesome.
I first saw it from, you know, Ryan Darcy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's my manager, and he did this for his birthday, I think.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I was like, we want to do this.
I took Ryan that too.
Yeah.
Now heading out into the open a bit more. We expect to see a lot of birds. They're hoping for obviously scarlet ibis, which is the national bird of Trinidad and Tobago, and we also hope to see many flamingos. So it's nearly food time, guys. Mark is already in depth with his camera out, and we're about to eat, I believe, a meal with chicken and fish.
Chicken and fish.
Chicken and fish, of course, which is the ultimate combination, right?
Yes.
What else you got for us there, guys?
Deep fried breaded plantains. Parmesan eggplant,
Parmesan eggplant,
ginger chicken,
chicken, fish.
it's sweet and sour fish.
Okay, delicious.
Oh, okay.
So guys, we're about to chow down here. Well, of course, Vanessa and them didn't wait on us or me or anything, but it's okay, no problem. I'm used to being left behind. But this is what my meal is looking like right here. Really colorful, really beautiful. Thank you to these guys here.
Oh, eggplant,
Creamy cassava.
creamy cassava,
Deep fried plantain.
deep fried plantains. Wow, that's quite a feast on the boat. In a beautiful scenery. What a way to end the day. Are you ready to
I'm
dig
ready.
in?
Except I seem to have
Can't
lost
wait.
my cutlery.
Oh,
That's okay. We can
When we're
Oh, we
playing
have
musical
something
oh, here
chairs.
was yours.
Yeah.
I think this is yours.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. Pepper sauce.
Yeah. So we've got a bit of Chinese influence, but everything with that Trinidadian touch.
It's a person flavor of our
Nice.
culture.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's like
Remember, Trinidad is rich with
Mhm.
so many different cultures in one.
so many different cultures. Yeah.
The African influence, the Indians, the Chinese, the
African.
Portuguese.
So eggplant.
Indian, Chinese, eggplant. Oh, the chicken is great.
Mm-hmm.
The eggplant. Oh wow. The creaminess of that eggplant. And you said oh, it's creamy cassava too. Creamy cassava. Extremely creamy cassava. Really good.
Well, I actually thought for a second that the fried plantain was like the fish or something.
Fried
It's like
fish.
a open and it's bright and
it
yellow
almost
on the
looks like
inside.
fried fish, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man, if you're
Delicious.
silent, the sound of the scarlet ibis, they're just, if you're actually on that island, it would be so loud with all of the bird sounds.
Really, really fantastic meal. Great company, of course. Big up to Vanessa. She's the one behind the scenes that's always hiding in whatever video I put out. But she's really helped make this happen. Look, my finger touching her head. That's what's happening there. And Mark and his wife are just really down to earth, awesome people. You know,
Thank you, Alan.
helping out people in other countries and
Great to
filling
hang
their
out
bellies
with
at the same time, I guess.
you. Great to hang out.
Awesome. The main people here who prepared all this lovely food. Thank you very much, guys. And I also filmed the billboard, everything, so they'll have your contacts and stuff, and I'll make sure people know how to reach you.
Thank you very much.
Embarrassingly, this is my first time in the Caroni swamp, and I call myself a Trini. So, very, very bad on my part. It's like birds and sarong song.
Big flood coming in there now, but
Hey guys, they pull out the they just had a little taste of dessert for us today. This obscenely massive chocolate cake.
It's chocolate, but okay, it's chocolate bar.
We're sending Mark and everybody to Tobago with that. Alright guys, so this is my goodbye to my new friends Mark and Ying. Correct? Yes, I got it right. Thank you. She's learned very quickly that I have a problem pronouncing things. So, guys, thank you very much for coming to Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of everything. And tell Trinidad and Tobago something on behalf of me, because I'm so proud to be next to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
It's been
thank
great to
you.
hang out with you.
Yeah.
We've loved our time in Trinidad and Tobago, and great to hang out with you.
No, you're much taller than me right now. Much taller. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Ellen.
It's been a trip.
Yes.
Thank you.
Trini Surfer.
Trini Surfer. Alright, that's it. Good. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.